There is a Nigerian musician that God wants to use him. His name is Asake. Olamide Asake. That is his name. His name is Asake. God wants to use him as a pastor.
My people wanna be like bicycle. This man, this pastor, this so-called pastor, don't come out, can't tell us say Asake will leave music and become a pastor. Say the reason why Asake they sell out for O2, they sell out in music now because of him dread. Say the power there for dread. So God go call him. Using power go make him cut the dread. My people no be smart. And I go allow una make una watch the rest of the video. Make una hear what in this pastor talk. Drop your opinion for comment section. If this is your first time I'm coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Richest TV. I'm a boy girl on board. Do well to subscribe. Follow this channel for more bringing news with the tutorial body. This with the tutorial brain. As the next come now, so we the carry come give one. I stay. I'm a boy girl. Always Cindy. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
There is a Nigerian musician that God wants to use him. His name is Asake. Olamide Asake. That is his name. His name is Asake. God wants to use him as a pastor. He is going to barb that his hair and he will become a pastor. Watch, I'm professor. I'm not telling you. This is what God said. That Asake is going to become a pastor that will be preaching all around the world. This is what I saw. He should ask his mother. When his mother was looking for him, she went to a celeb pastor. And the pastor prayed for her. And he told her she's going to carry a baby boy. And the boy will be great. And the mother said, if she can have that boy, that she's going to allow the boy to do anything God wants. And he has deviated. God wants him back. And God is going to arrest him. And the arrest is going to come before the end of 2024. Wash out and see.